Yo, what's going on, guys? Back for part two of GU breakdown. So we know we had I put a trend line here. Also, I had to adjust because I didn't want to go too low, but I knew I had another resistance level down here somewhere. I'm thinking it was here, down at 1.4000. We're not gonna go that far, but the next level of support was here at 40.53. So right now, market's still moving down, so to speak, but we can go to a smaller time frame and can really see what the market's currently been doing. So we definitely got some upsides movement on this thing, and that's what we knew where things was, but we had already missed. By the time I came here and did this analysis, you should have already made your entry. You should have already made your entry. I just kind of late too. I got off work. I work, guys. So got off work. It came into the area. If I have done this analysis earlier, you could have possibly already be in this trade and winning your trade right now. So right now, I would look at this as a buy, and as far as when it does a price break of the trend line, that's really you want to put some stop orders in. Let's say the price break would be here. Once it breaks this trend line here, really it would be right here. So we'll put it as a price break, and let's make it a different color for the price break. We're gonna break the ice, and maybe that's it. Like ice a little bit here. So right there, 41.76 would be considered a price break of the trend line. So we expect this thing to move to the upside. Look at this bull candle here. Just let you know, guys. This was entry. This was entry. So you think about this. Market moved down. It came to area support, which y'all in the first video you seen. This is a support area. Y'all see it over here. It once was resistance. Look at this area here. This whole zone was a support area. So it came to a support area, broke into that air support area, and moved to the upside. You could have made the decision between here to make a trade, and it came back down. You came into the game late. It came back and retested that price. So these more than likely were some orders that came in, some buy orders at 41.21, and these guys are already up 40 pips right now. That's currently in this trade. That's currently day trading this pair. So right now you could have entered this trade right here right now. Let's see if I have something in. Yes, I have something in, and I'm currently in profit. This is live. This is live. This is live. Y'all know I'm live. This has not been manipulated. I've noticed someone online here is saying everything is manipulated and everything like that. I'm not into that, and anybody that follows my channel know I'm not with that. So, but right now, currently winning this trade. I'm expecting to go through here and break these highs, y'all. So let's go back to the chart. So we're expecting this thing to go here and break this high at some point. I doubt it breaks this high. I don't know. It may break between today and tomorrow. We're in session. We're in session currently right now in the Euro session. So we should have some movement here, and the U.S. session do kick in tomorrow or later on today. So we can see where this market push at. Right now, I'm trading it. I mean, I would love to get in down here. This would definitely been ideal for me, honestly. Right now I'm coming late to the show, but if this trend continue to trend as the way things we've been seeing. Let's go to the 2-hour chart. If this thing continue to trend, it's going here. As y'all can see, we put those two levels in. It's going here, the 43.24 and between 43.44. It's going there if it decides to continue this upside movement and break through the trend line and break the high and go to the next price, which will be in the 43. So right now we're looking at possibly short of 200 pips. So just to put that in perspective, more than likely that will take about another week. You know what I'm saying, to execute all the full swing all the way up here. So we're gonna reach another trading level up there, and it's between here and there. That's another trading zone. So it will get there. Whether it just skyrockets through there, nobody knows how this thing is gonna really, whether how it really wants to break price. So you just gotta continue to watch your trades and monitor your trades and everything like that. But that's part two, guys. You should have been, if you guys, are late to the show, you should have, you seen where you should have made your entry at, and you know where it's going. You know where, if it goes against you, you need to get the hell out the trade once it's at 40.53. Just to be honest with you, if this thing turns around and go against you, this is your exit. You need to get out at this point, and your TPs should be up here. Well, if you get in, depending on the type of trader you are, just make your TP and put your TPs in the proper place. Above this price, I can tell you that above this price and above. And here, TP zone is here. So you make a decision. Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.